Okay guys, today I'm playing PTFS again, but I want you to look at this. Yeah, so Wishy's posted in his Discord server. Look at this. Physics. Yeah. That's Wishy. That's Wishy's always do things about physics. He do a lot of clips about physics of PTFS right now. Well, now he's trying to take off the plane like this. Yeah, in real life it's impossible to take off a plane like this. Yeah, he successfully take it off. Come on. What? Oh yeah, don't forget to join my Discord server. Yeah, he called me noob. Dude. Delete again. Yeah, I'm deleting his messages so that nobody can see me and my friends saying noob. Yeah, the P-38 Lightning is in the game. Well, let's take a better look at the changelog because as we all know, I did a video about the Twin Otter and it got 0 views right now. Yeah, so don't forget to watch that video. Yeah, we found out that they updated again. What? Come on. Yeah. Yeah, they updated the P-38 model. Fixed seaplane landing mechanics. Yeah, I don't have seaplanes, so I don't know about that. We have brand new stalling system. Nose doesn't slam down when changing from flight to taxi. Few bucks fix. So good job, Orange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go to Baltic Airfield. Yeah, I have the shortest pivot. Hello, Sam. Yeah, look at my mouse cursor. It's Sam message. Oopsie. Yeah, this is a very small airfield. It has only 82 meters of paved runway. Yeah, it has the shortest paved runway here at Baltic Airfield. Hello? Yeah, there's nobody. Totally. Why is it lagging again? I don't quite understand. Let's fly the P-38 to St. Bartholomew. Now this isn't a big update, but I now love the P-38. First is fast and it's an old military, but you need group access. You have to join the pilot training group. Yeah, it's by Orange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, he invented that group. Wait, where is it? Yeah, the test server now it is still closed. We cannot play it anymore. That's online. Ooh, 6 hours ago. Joined it 2008. Oh my god. Yeah, this group. You have to join this group so you gain access to the P-38. Oh, they have full Phantom. Lame. Yeah, I want camo. I like it. Yeah, this is actually the best turboprop plane now. After the Twin Otter. Still, well, the Twin Otter is still the extreme plane. But this has some more insane speeds. You can go like 300 and over 300 knots. But the Twin Otter go like 160. Yeah, so the Twin Otter is pretty slow. Today, our flight from Baltic Airfield to St. Bartholomew, they are taking off. I don't even know we'll be able to take off here. Uh-oh, it's the end of the... Yet this plane cannot take off here. Orange. If it cannot take off here, how can it spawn here? Yeah. Yeah, it's a big mistake. I shouldn't come to Baltic Airfield. But it isn't that much of a problem. Let's go to St. Bartholomew. Yeah, as you can see, we're at 370 knots. Whoop, lag. Okay, probably good for now. Oh, we can see the carrier down there, so screenshot. But the lag's coming. Yeah, there's the carrier here if you look at my cursor. Yeah, the carrier is there. Yeah, I can see St. Bartholomew Island now. So I should probably get prepared to land this plane. Yeah, it's a very great model. Well, at first it's a very ugly model. Now it's the best model. Yeah, you can see that white stuff. Yeah. Yeah, that's the runway lights. And sometimes it's bugged and you'll let you see it. So it's kind of a good thing. Yeah. Okay, lowering speed. Yeah, it should go low now. The challenging airport. Well, real life it has like 600 meters of runway, but in PFS the longest runway in this game is only literally like 700, so it doesn't quite matter. We want to see the flaps animation. Ooh, very small flaps. Not the best one, but I can take it. I can take it. Yeah, real low, but too high. Flaps 2. Almost time for flaps 3. Flaps 4 will be on final approach. And final approach mean, as I know, it will final approach mean no more turning. We're still very high. Okay, we're at short final. Let's make this a butchered landing because on the morning my friend Panda already showed me how to do it. Yeah, too high. I have to fly very low. I have to use a lot of runway to make this thing butter. Oh my god, yes, so low. Ooh! Yeah, don't even think about buttering. Yeah, that is the hardest landing ever. Notice how you turn and do a takeoff and then go around and land it again? Wait, let me see the time. Ah, 10 minutes already. Yeah, we still have time to waste. Okay, let's make a good U-turn. To use every inch of the runway of this. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yeah, is there even a rocket about? Why is the lags coming? I'm the only one in the server. We won't hit the mountain, I suppose. Yeah. Hey, there's the runway over there. Why is this water brighter? Oh, it's a lake. Oh, there's a dam there. What's that? Ready to make this butter? Yes, like literally impossible to butter at San Bartholomew. So this is a great stopping performance plane. Butter. Uh-oh, no, no. No, no. Ooh, that was a close one. We almost touched grass, and that is illegal. Kind of illegal. Let's take off here. Just for fun, advanced mode on. And then we'll do some stunts. And then we'll end the clip. Yeah, end the clip with some stunts with the extra 300S. Extra 300S is probably the best stunt plane ever. Well, it usually have a Red Bull livery, but well, all planes in PFS usually have liveries, but Orange take that out because of copyright issues. Goodbye.